Well, hello again. As you know, I am Jack Pierce, and today I'm going to show you how to make a decent HTML web page. First, create a HTML document and download a seamless image and a logo. You can do this with Notepad++ or, or just Notepad, but Notepad++ is very easy for beginners. First, create the doc type, then HTML open tag, a head open tag, and a link to the style sheet. Then close the head and open the body. Close the body and close the HTML tag. Then add a div container to your HTML. Close it. Now we're creating a style sheet. This is where all the styles go in. Add a background image. That's what a seamless is for. So it can be repeated without you knowing. The seamless image has no border, so you can repeat it again and again. See? Now we're going to create the CSS for the container. We're going to give it a width of 80%, and we're going to set the margins to auto so it will be centered. I'm also going to give it a border to see where it is. But because there is nothing in it, we won't see anything. Because a div itself is not something with a default height or width. By setting something in it, we'll see something. See? Now the background color is black. But somehow the margin doesn't fit. Now it does. Now we add a div for the navigation bar. another div for the content, and a div for the footer. But above that, we also need to have a logo. So I add one in too. Inside the div logo, we put the image logo. I use the logo of Starbucks because I like the coffee there. And there you have it. Now you see the size changed. I just played a little with the size of the logo and came up with this size. Set the color of the navigation bar to white and set the height to just about 50 pixels. I changed the background color of the container to white because it gave just a bit of a nicer effect. You also need to add an unordered list to your navigation bar. Make sure that you put links in the list items, because otherwise you will not be able to navigate anywhere. Set the display of the list items to inline and give the link a color, and set the text decoration to none, because otherwise you will have a blue underlined text. Also set the font size to 30 pixels and the line height to 50 pixels, so the text will be centered vertically. Also see that the links become clickable. Put some text into a paragraph tag and add an image. It always looks nice if the image is surrounded by text, so that's what we'll do. Set the image to float left and the position of the text to relative. We'll just add some more text to display the effect. As a last thing, we'll add a footer with a thanks note in it. I'm giving the footer another color so you can see it. Also set the line height to the height of the footer so the text will be vertically centered. I will make some additional changes to the webpage because I don't like how it looks.
I just made a little change and changed the text to Lorem Ipsum. I will put a link in the description to this site. I am going to change the width a bit because I hate it, and the line height of the footer as well. I will also add an image because just this makes it too small. Because I have done another image, I need to play a little with the classes because you just can't use the default image class anymore. It would have been fine with just one image in it, but now it can't. The div is so they don't collide. give it a height and a margin so it all looks just a bit nicer. And there you have it. A very decent webpage. I would put this on a website right away. So if you can do this, you can do a lot of other things. I hope you liked this video, and if you have any questions, please comment and subscribe. I will see you next time. This is Jack Pierce.